Alright guys, I'm here again, Joe Fresh. What I'm doing right now? See? I'm wet sanding. I'm wet sanding the whole car to make this shine. Too many scratches. Too many scratches. No. Too many. All over. I'm starting to do the wet sand. I'm gonna show you. 1500. That's only an example. I'm gonna show you the finished product, and I'm gonna finish the whole car wet sanding first. Then after that, I'm gonna do the 3000. Then after that, I'm gonna buff it. All right, I'll be back. See you later, guys. I'm teaching two of my co-worker, Jeffrey, doing wet sand. So of course I'm gonna look at it. So they are doing the right way. They're wetting me, and I'm teaching Colin as well. Colin is doing well now. So they're not gonna burn it. So I need to check every time that what they are doing. Alright guys, Joe Fresh will be back in a few minutes. We're gonna wet sand this car to make it look good. Alright, bye bye. Enjoy life. Take care. Hi, I'm back. Joe Fresh. I wanna show you some of my project today. A5 Audi. I'm doing a full wet sand on this car and two-step, and I'm doing buffing as well after this. I'm gonna show you what it looks like right now. Has been wet sand by first stage. I'm trying to make it like shiny. I do the front already. That's only a first step. Woohoo! And I already wet sand the hood and fender on this one. I have few areas that I need to wet sand as well. Passenger door, side mirror. It's a big job for me. And one of my buddy here, Jeffrey, tried to help me to wet sand the whole car. I have driver's side need to be wet sand as well. It is a big project, guys. I want to show you the finished product after I do everything on this one. This looks good now. It's a lot of scratches, guys. Alright guys, talk to you later again, and I'll try my best to make this shine and look like a brand new. Bye. Enjoy life. This is the car right now. This is the Audi A5. We wax it after we buff it. A little bit polished, so turn out, shine more. I'm gonna take video after. We wipe it, we'll see the difference of before and after. I don't have the picture before again. I'm gonna show you when I'm wet sanding before and video of after, like shine. No more scratches. There's few, but we remove all the major scratches on this one. Alright guys, show you after. Bye bye. Enjoy life. Okay guys, I'm back. Joe Fresh. I'm here at 550 Windmill at Carson Export. This is the project that we finished like for a couple days. Me, Jeffrey, and Colin helped me to make this shine. I wet sand the whole car, as in the whole car, because there's a lot of like deep scratches on this. This is nice looking A5 now. I'm gonna make it closer, show it to you. So nice, so clean. If you want to check this out, go here at Carson Export at 550 Windmill. I'm gonna show you further. Sorry for my English, I'm not good in English. I'm just trying to make it like better. All the angle, you can see it here in the video. There. Turned out good now. I'm gonna show you the shine of this car. It's hard to see it there. Show it there. Shine of this car. No more scratches in this car. Few, but we remove it. Magic Joe Fresh turned this out to a diamond.
Shine bright like a diamond.
Alright guys, I'm gonna say thank you for watching. You know, we made it the best for this Audi A5. So see ya, enjoy life, bye bye, take care.
Ano dyan?
Ganyan.
Don't forget to share, like, and subscribe. Have a good day, everyone. Enjoy life.